It is a pleasure to welcome all of you today as we inaugurate the DOST Batangas State University Metals and Engineering Innovation Center. Today we inaugurate this center, a facility that represents a significant investment in the future of our university, our industries, and our nation. This will complement our existing laboratory equipment and will provide more hands-on activities, hands-on opportunities for our students.
Calabarzon has always been a region defined by its strength, resilience, and progress. For decades, we have been at the forefront of industrial and technological advancements, with our hardworking people as the foundation. Today, with the inauguration of the Metals and Engineering Innovation Center, or MEIC, we are not just unveiling a facility, we are igniting new possibilities for our region.
Ito nga, nasabi ko, ang MEIC ay parang extension ng MIRDC. Kayo ang mini MIRDC. Itong mga MEIC, kayo naman ang mag-provide ng ganyang serbisyo para maging more competitive yung mga metals and engineering industry dito sa inyong lugar.
Yung atin pong mga pwedeng machineries na pwedeng i-develop dito po sa loob ng facility ay madali po at accessible dahil nandito po tayo sa location kung saan pwede po nating ma-access mula sa iba't ibang lugar sa Calabarzon.
Yun ang isang malaking problema namin nung panahong wala pa kami nito. Bakit kamo? Sapagkat ang mga bata, hindi nila alam kung saan sila magpapagawa. Paano nila i-actual yung itinuro namin?
BATSU has continuously played a crucial role in shaping the future of engineering and technological advancements in the country.
So malaki ang maitutulong ng mga makinaryang nakikita ninyo ngayon sapagkat magkakameron ng technical skills ang lahat ng mga estudyante na gagamit ito.
With the MEIC, the university's position as a national leader in engineering has become even more significant. This center will be a virtual hub and a vital hub where education and innovation come together to provide practical solutions, ensuring that our industries continue to grow and succeed.
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa Batangas State University, Malbar Campus for hosting, for accepting po yung aming pag-nominate sa kanila na maging host netong ating pong Metals and Engineering Innovation Center. This center will serve as a hub for empowering us to translate innovative ideas into practical applications in the metals and engineering sectors and harness our collective expertise to address industry challenges, drive technological advancement, and develop solutions that enhance productivity and competitiveness. Together, let us embark on a transformative journey that not only elevates the metals and engineering sector, but also strengthens our resolve to create a sustainable future.
Sa siyensya at teknolohiya, makabagong ideya ay aalagwa. Sa siyensya at teknolohiya, kabataan ang ating pag-asa. Sa siyensya at teknolohiya, negosyo nyo ay tsakikita. Sa siyensya at teknolohiya, ang industriya ay arangkada. At sa siyensya at teknolohiya, buhay nating lahat ay gaganda.